Lost connection to your solar monitoring app? Don't worry, getting your Fronius back online only takes a couple of minutes. Hi, I'm Mike from SAE Group. If your Fronius inverter has dropped off Wi-Fi, maybe you've changed the password, maybe you've updated your internet service provider, this guide will show you how to reconnect it. Stand in front of the inverter, you check your settings on your smart device to see if you can see your home's Wi-Fi. Because if your phone can't see it, your inverter can't see it. If your phone can't see your home Wi-Fi network, maybe you need a Wi-Fi extender. There's 4 buttons located underneath the screen on your Fronius inverter. You can use these buttons to navigate through the menu. Firstly, press the back arrow. And now we scroll across until we hit the setup menu, which has a spanner and screwdriver on it. Press the right hand button to enter that menu, and we scroll down to Wi-Fi access point. Press enter and it will ask you, do you wish to activate it? We say yes and we press enter. The inverter is now broadcasting its own Wi-Fi signal. On your phone, open your Wi-Fi settings, turn it on and connect to the network starting with Fronius. It'll ask you for a password. The password is 1234568. Once connected, open a browser and type in this IP address, 192.168.250.181. This will take you to the inverter's setup page. From here, go to the settings tab located on the right hand side of the page. On the left hand side of the page, select network. Inverter will ask you what connection mode you'd like to use. Click internet via WLAN. Down the bottom of the page, click on your home network, password, enter that and press save. When successful, the status will turn blue and show connected. Tick the box at the top right to apply your settings. Back out of the menus to the home screen, and that's it. Your Fronius is now reconnected. If you're still having any issues after this video, feel free to give us a call on 1300 18 20 50.